Hi there, this is Spencer Marshall from Marshall Property Services. Just want to show you today what we can do with this 6x10 dump box trailer. Currently we got 4 yards of topsoil in there. You can see that there's a septic field here that's had, hasn't been able to really grow any grass on it. It's high sand content. So we're going to put a couple inches of topsoil on there. And this trailer will lift and dump a big load right there. And oh yeah, you can see in the back here, here's Jordan. He's putting together a little greenhouse for this client as well. We dumped also that half yard of sand there, bedding sand, and put down some pavers, and now there's a little greenhouse going on top for the client. So this yard, which they just moved into, is going to turn into a nice little haven for them. Thanks for watching. Bye.